In this experiment, we have to see the various functions of function generator. Function generator is the device which we use to provide some artificial signals for the testing purpose. So here, this is our function generator. This function generator has on-off switch at its backside. So by pressing switch on button, I can switch on the function generator. So here you can see at the left hand side you will see the display where I can see the frequency range as well as the amplitude of the signal. For selection of frequency and amplitude, there is one toggle switch. When this switch is pressed in the pressed position, that time it indicates the amplitude as it is indicating now, that is 2 volt peak to peak. You can see over here. By releasing this toggle switch, the same display functions to provide the display of frequency, and that you can identify by this indication 4.98 kilohertz. So that means now this display is indicating you the frequency. You can select the function of signal by selecting these 3 switches. Now it has pressed the sine function, so that's why on CRO you can observe the sine wave. You can select the triangular wave also. So by pressing triangular switch, you can see the wave has appeared in a triangular shape. You can select the square wave also. By pressing square wave knob, we can see the square wave has appeared on the CRO. If I want to change the frequency range, so here there is a range of the frequencies which is available from 0.3 to 3 megahertz. So by pressing any of the range, suppose here I have selected 30 kilo range, that means by changing the coarse knob of function generator, I can change the frequency. Now you can see the frequency is started changing from 300 Hertz to maximum approximately 30 kilohertz. So by pressing this range 30 kilohertz, I can vary the frequency from 300 Hertz to 32 kilohertz. There is one fine adjustment knob also is there. So by adjusting this fine knob, we can adjust the frequency in the fraction also. If I want to change the amplitude of the signal, I have to select the amplitude switch of the function generator, and I have to adjust this fine level button. So by changing this knob, I can change the amplitude of the signal, as you can observe on the CRO screen. The amplitude of the signal has started changing. If I select the sine wave function, you can visualize it very properly. So by changing the amplitude knob, we can adjust the amplitude of the signal, and by changing the frequency knob, I can change the frequency of the signal. Sometimes it is necessary to provide the signals with the attenuation in certain dBs. That adjustment we can do by pressing such type of attenuation in terms of dB switches. So this is the basic functions of function generator.